Good morning, YouTube. Back at it. It's been raining on and off these past few days. That's what's left of the avocado tree. Those of you who are new and don't know the story, this avocado tree gave a bunch of avocados last year. We cut it down with this little saw. Literally cut that whole tree down. Me and BB's grandkids got out here, cleaned it all up with this little saw. This is what was left over, which I'm going to be cleaning up today. That I'm going to cut with the saw to see if it works. But that is what's left over from the avocado tree that gave us so many beautiful avocados last year. And the freeze literally brought it down to this. We did find some little leaves popping out, branches. They're hard to pop out there because of the thickness of this bark here. But as we were trimming it down, we noticed around here there was some. And I think there might be one coming out there. It's hard to see it now, but it is alive. The roots are alive. So let's hope we get some good branches. Yes, as you can see, that little thing there is trying to pop out. On another bright side than the note, our Gandules are starting to show life. They are starting to show life from this good rain. Let's see how many survive, but they're starting to pop up. So we might have a bunch of Gandules. Banana trees are coming in. The grass definitely needs to be cut, so that's why this has to be cleaned up over here. Someone did say something which was pretty smart when I was talking about get some tools. If you own a house gardening, you can go to yard sales where there's 55 and older communities, and yes, they'll have some cheaper tools there too, so you don't have to run out to the store. But we made some new compost piles here. We've added more here, and it's even shrunk. So now we have more compost to make. We got our 3 going over there. All her flowers are popping up. Everything here is looking good. Lemon. More compost. And her other trees there as well, the jasmine. And we do have the banana one that I thought wasn't gonna make it. We're just letting that grow wild over there. So, and then our tomatoes, again, this is all just coming from the compost. These tomatoes are coming up like crazy. This avocado tree, you snail, because you gotta watch out for those snails, is coming up good as well. All right, let me go get the garbage can. Let me go finish that there, just in case, because it might rain on and off. It's a beautiful morning, and again, look at all these weeds. This grass needs to be cut. All right, I'm going to show you the before, and of course you already know how the saw works, and then I'll show you the after. All right, starting to sprinkle a little bit. This saw here, 6-inch saw that we did a review on, cut 2 garbage cans. It literally cut these and this as thick as it is. It cut that whole tree down. But the point is, that pile that I had here, 1 battery. It cut that whole tree down, 1.5 battery. When we trimmed all the branches that were over there, I think it was 1 battery. That thing is so amazing. 2000 lithium CC2 or CES2. I promise you. At first, was like, it's a little saw. I promise you. That was one of our best product reviews we've ever done. All right, so let me throw this away. I can't believe it. Like literally, and it cuts through it like butter. Just got to tighten the chain on it and oil it. Starting to sprinkle. Gandules are coming. Thank God. I just can't believe it. Now we got to see how many survive out of them. But they're all popping up. And then, of course, what the squirrel's going to eat. But now I can get ready. Not today. But maybe if it does stop raining, I might. But I got to get ready and cut the grass. Move that trailer. And get back to the 3-inch high cutting of the grass. Because, again, our weeds are literally like tall. They are literally tall. All right, let me put this in the rest in the garbage here and then go from there. You talk about weird spots where this literally, look how high that is, where it's literally grown. I do have the lawnmower. I gotta take it apart and get the spring replaced on it because it's not springing back. And again, I don't even know what my mother's gonna do with those. I think they're pear trees or peach trees, or there's something trees there. So just wanted to keep in touch with you guys. And there we have it. Everything's coming along good. This is just, I don't know if that's a weed or the tree. Probably looks like a weed. Those have not come back yet. With her putting the rice water and everything, all the butterfly stuff, food right there. This is all the milkweeds over there starting to flower. That's my friend's banana tree. Everything else is coming along good. All we can do is little by little every day out here. And like I said, that lawnmower, I'll do a separate video and show you how to replace the spring on it. I have to take it apart and then order it, the spring thing, online. Sun is out. Want to take that chance, cut the grass, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done, and then get this video guys out for you. All right, I'm gonna go do this, cut everything here, move that trailer eventually, get all the yard cut. I know she's good and ready, other than possibly battery by the end of this year, but definitely gonna clean her up, make sure she's good, just like the push lawnmower. I think I might be ending the video right now. Come on, baby. Lawnmower life, guys. Dead battery. I think it served its purpose. It's a 2023. So, I guess we got 3 years out of it. We are going to jump it and see if it works. Oh yeah! Got some ant piles, but I got it going. I'm determined to get this grass cut. We did get some good rain. I got my nails ironed in there. Let's put some gas, what I had last of the $3.25 a gallon, and hold off, and hopefully gas prices will go down by the next time I need gas. Good thing the lawnmower doesn't use that much gas. I got about a quarter, and a full one. That's gotta last me till the gas prices go down. Alright, I finished. Just remember, anytime you replace a battery, take the positive off first. Same way reverse. Put the negative on first and the positive on second. There it is. Quick video of the lawn. And I was able to pull that heavy trailer over there. I mean, 5 years ago, that trailer was light. 5 years later, it was a bitch to pick it up. But everything is done. Looking good. Thank you for taking the time to spend your day with me, YouTube. Until the next one, hopefully we'll get some rain now. Knocking off the projects little by little. Got to do it with the hand, the weed eater, and then I got to fix some grass spots here. See ya.